Let's talk about the cat and mouse game of cybersecurity, because it's evolving faster than ever. Attackers aren't just kicking down digital doors anymore. They're becoming ghosts in the machine, especially in our wireless world. They are operating with some serious sophistication, using the very air around us to cover their tracks. So, let's dive right into this. We're going to talk about the art and the science of wireless hacker evasion.
So welcome. What you're watching right now is the introduction to a brand new 10-part tutorial all about wireless hacker evasion. And this whole thing is based on a really comprehensive report from the security experts over at Virtualization Options LLC. So for the next few minutes, we're going to give you the grand tour, the entire roadmap of that tutorial, so you'll know exactly what it takes to master this critical field.
And just so you know, the source for this whole series is absolutely top-notch. We're pulling all of this from the work of Virtualization Options LLC. They're a dedicated tech research and advisory firm, and they have done some incredibly deep work here. Our job is to unpack all that heavy research for you slide by slide, so you can really master these concepts without getting lost in the weeds. All right, so here's the game plan. First, we're going to meet the invisible enemy. Then, we'll get into building your foundation before we go inside the hacker's playbook. After that, we pivot to mastering the defense, and then finally, we'll get you started on where your journey begins. Let's do it. So, let's start with the threat itself. Look, a traditional network breach, that's one thing, but a wireless attack, it's a whole different beast. It could be coming from a car parked down the street, a drone flying overhead, or some tiny device hidden on a park bench. And that right there creates this massive unfair advantage that favors the attacker, making them a true invisible enemy.
So, what exactly is wireless hacker evasion? Well, it is not just about hiding. As you can see here, it's a collection of deliberate tactics, TTPs as they're called, that are designed to actively fool security systems. Think of it like this. It's the difference between just hiding in the shadows and wearing active camouflage that literally changes to match the background. It is an intentional, active strategy to stay invisible.
And why is this so tough to fight? Well, it boils down to three big things. First, attackers use this anonymity to do real damage and get away with it. Second, the radio frequency environment, the airwaves, it's incredibly noisy and complex. Signals are bouncing off everything, creating a kind of hall of mirrors for defenders trying to find the source. And third, the attackers' techniques are constantly getting more sophisticated, which means we're in a never-ending arms race.
Okay, so we've laid out the problem, and yeah, it's pretty intimidating. So now, let's talk about the solution. The full tutorial we're introducing is designed to build your expertise from the ground up, starting with a rock-solid foundation.
So the journey in the tutorial kicks off with Part 1, the foundation. Chapter 1 goes way deeper into the challenges we just talked about, really setting the stage. Then Chapter 2 gets super practical, diving into the fundamentals of wireless signal detection, and this is absolutely crucial. You have to learn how to hear that one tiny whisper in a sea of noise before you can ever hope to find where it's coming from.
Right, once you've got that foundation down, the tutorial takes you deep inside the mind of the attacker, because you know what they say, to beat your enemy, you have got to think like them.
Now, what's really fascinating here is how the tutorial breaks down all the different attack vectors. Chapter 3, it focuses on the physical layer. That's where attackers are literally manipulating the raw radio waves to fly under the radar. Then, Chapter 4 moves up the stack to the network and protocol layers. This is where you see things like MAC address spoofing or packet fragmentation to just vanish from the logs. And believe me, the playbook gets even more advanced from there. Chapter 5 explores the real cutting edge of signal manipulation, how attackers can make their transmissions look like just meaningless background noise. And Chapter 6, wow, Chapter 6 is just amazing. It covers how attackers use the world around them, like bouncing a signal off a specific building to make it look like it's coming from a completely different direction. That is the level of tradecraft we're dealing with.
Okay, we've seen the attacker's playbook. Now it is time to flip the script and start arming the defenders. The third part of the tutorial is all about building a powerful defensive toolkit.
See, fighting back requires its own advanced technology. In the tutorial, Chapter 7 gets into the nitty-gritty of specific countermeasures and localization tech that you can deploy. Then Chapter 8 dives into what is arguably the most important battleground for the future, the role of machine learning and AI in this constant cat-and-mouse game.
This slide really gets to the heart of this AI arms race. On one side, you have attacker AI that's crafting new evasion techniques on the fly and finding weaknesses in our defenses. But on the other side, you've got defender AI that's analyzing incredibly complex patterns to spot threats that a human or even a simple program would completely miss. It's a constant cycle of innovation on both sides.
Now, to wrap up the tutorial, the final 2 chapters bring everything into sharp focus. Chapter 9 is just packed with real-world case studies, showing you how these attacks and defenses actually play out. And finally, Chapter 10 looks to the horizon, talking about future trends and giving you strategic recommendations to make sure you stay ahead of the curve. So, after seeing the whole map laid out, from the foundations to the attacker's playbook all the way to the AI arms race, the only real question is, are you ready to turn the tables on them?
This has been your high-level briefing, your map of the territory. Now the real journey to mastery can begin.
So there you have it. We've just walked through the entire roadmap, from the fundamentals of detection all the way to the front lines of the AI arms race. This was your introduction. The full 10-part tutorial is where you're going to find the deep dive knowledge you need to defend against these invisible threats. Go find the series and begin your journey.